People get knocks on the doors all the time. Honestly, if it wasn't for them knocking, it would have been just miserable. We go through this every 30 or 40 years, but we've never had one like this. It would get cold, power might go out for a little while, and then it comes back on. This one, the power went down and it stayed off. Everything stopped. And to top it off, it was just freezing cold. Being comfortable at home, that's the most important thing to me. My wife and my kids are my life. When we had the Texas freeze, we were without power for 60 hours. I know a number of our neighbors had pipes burst because it got so cold in their houses. They brought in space heaters and all that stuff. They had to close all the doors on all the rooms just to keep one room warm. They were trying to put blankets and stuff over them to kind of cover up the windows. Most of our neighbors were down in the low 30s, 52 degrees is the lowest we got in the house. The windows made a world of difference. It never got that cold. Power did a really, really good job.
We're giving them energy efficient products that are going to help them, and we're willing to do whatever it takes to make sure that that homeowner's happy before we leave their home.
We get solicitors quite a bit, so you take everything with a grain of salt. From that knock to the presentation, what they described sounded really good. When the windows were actually put in, it built a lot of trust.
At the end of the day, what's really important is who you are as a person. I'm somebody that could never sell something to somebody if I didn't actually believe in the product itself.
It made it very easy to believe in the product they had. We were lucky that they did knock on the door. I'm glad they did.